IPCC report is a stark reminder that climate change is affecting people and ecosystems everywhere. Wildfires, floods, Category 5 storms, droughts, we see these in the headlines now almost every single day. But what this report tells us is that all of these impacts around the world are in fact connected, and the main culprit is climate change. The report is also a reminder that climate change doesn't impact us all equally. Some countries and communities, often those least contributing to the problem, are often more vulnerable to the impacts of the climate crisis than others. A single flood can wipe out a farm, leaving people to go hungry. And then families are faced with very difficult and heartbreaking decisions, like do they pull their children out of school? This can lead to an entire generation of young people with diminished opportunities. This IPCC report is about adaptation. The sad reality is that we have put so many emissions into the atmosphere that the world is going to warm for at least 20 more years. So what do we do about this? To understand how adaptation makes a difference, imagine if an early warning system could warn people that a flood was coming. Instead of the family going hungry, they had insurance to cover their losses. And imagine that the school building was built to withstand floods, so kids' education wouldn't be interrupted. This is why adaptation is so important. The more we invest in adaptation now, the safer we will be in the long term. I know this all sounds really scary, but it's not the time to lose hope. Now is the time to come together and work harder than we ever have before. Our future depends on it.